Can't do the hill.
Why?
My steering. It doesn't even work.
So? What do you need to steer for? It's a straight fucking hill.
Fuck you, I seen you do the fucking... Okay, I'm going for it.
You see me coming? Oh! Judo!
We're going up in it.
Jude!
Oh yeah, we didn't talk about this yet, eh? We're renting fucking Grant's machine, 300 a day.
Really?
Yeah, we need $100 for you when you get the chance. You're gonna have to use your Toys R Us paycheck.
I'm totally down for that.
You better be.
Since I'm gimped, I get to run the machine.
Can you actually run those?
I don't know, we'll find out.
Exactly. Well, we don't know where to build though. Castor wants to come and completely rebuild the landing for this step up.
We totally should. I asked if we needed a shovel. Could have brought the flat shovel, fucking saved all this time and effort. Actually, it probably would have been gayer. Got her, boys. She's looking sexy. Yep. Fucking guy. That's just gonna wreck it. You gotta do that, Ken.
Oh, he has a different shovel.
Well, fucking work it. You want the cripple to show you how it's done? Give me this fucking shovel. Take this damn down.
Yeah, prove it now.
Look at that. Chance is just a little vagina. Look at this guy fucking shows up. Very big, ready to go. Geared up, fucking ready to go. Yeah. What a big bulb. What do you see fixed on the top? Crazy whip. Yeah, all fired up. Feeling good. I know, right? Like, the only time I've ever seen somebody unload their bike fucking with the ramp is like, not even. Dude, the ramp's way scarier than fucking dropping on the tailgate. Cause now you gotta run down the ramp. Yeah, exactly. Why didn't you get somebody to fucking help you?
Sketchy, eh? Yeah. It's fucking sketchy when you're not even on a hill at all. You just got a hammer on it. You ought to get a shot of that. This is a good one. It's so much breaking.
I remember my old fender on my 250, I fucking had to fold it up to my seat.
Yeah.
He got me garage so I get down. What do you figure?
Not bad, I mean. What?
Not gonna lie, I thought it was pretty gay. Just kidding, Chance. You're starting to whip like the pros.
Yeah.
You're about as good as my little sister.
Fuck you, John.
Buddy, what is your satellite radio?
I have one. Fuck, I don't know there.
Fucking beats just bumping.
Kick her from here and go right on that other side of that guy's property.
Right over the fence.
Seal the wall right on that guy's house.
Buddy, we'll triple X style it. We'll jump onto his roof and then jump off.
Oh
like
no, right in the loft from the farm, jump into it. We leave the whole loft of the farm, drop up the other side.
Oh,
That's too sick.
Chester, you're going first. Green fields.
I wish I was marijuana, then we could sell it and buy a Bobcat.
Fuck that, I'd smoke it all.
Buy a Bobcat.
Smoke it all.
That's deadly.
Oh.
I'm gonna write down on Facebook. At least I have marijuana because we can sell it and buy a Bobcat.
Good stuff. Look at this balling guy.
Fuck yeah, bud.
Balling with his fucking red bone zippers.
No, they're pink actually.
Oh, hottie. Nice. She isn't that hot, she's kind of old, but still pretty sexy. Oh, look at the fucking, like, black car.
Oh, you're going home, right?
Yeah. Holy fuck, buddy.
You're gonna be like one of those fucking guys walking back to the fucking town.
He won't be walking, he'll be hobbling.
Yeah. You'd probably get picked up though.
I would. His face is way too cute not to. Buddy, I know where we could build a sick hip.
Boys.
Until next time.